Hi guys, welcome back to the interview session. Okay, here today I am going to the explaining about one of the most important interview question, that is nothing but the reverse of a string. Reverse of a string without using third variable or third party method, without using direct method or without using third party variable. So let us see. Question is reverse of string without using predefined method, without using predefined method. So this is the question. Okay, it can asking in any technical interview like in our Java and automation testing, they are frequently asking this type of question. The question is reverse of a string. So here I am creating a class. The class name is reverse of string, and here I am going through the method. The method is main method. Public static void main string args. Okay. Now, before entering to the topic, we need to know what is a string. So, string is a predefined class in Java. String is a predefined class in Java, and it was coming from the java.lang package. Java.lang package. And this string contains two methods. We need to, for the reverse of string, we need to know beforely two methods. The method name is length, length method, and char array. And here it will accept the it is without parameter, it is the parameter is int, the int parameter, and it will contains the index values. Okay, and we need to know length starts from the 1, length starts from the 1, and then char starts from the 0, char starts from the 0. Now let us see. Here I am declaring one string s equal to Java, and here I declared a one string, and here I am going through the string reverse. It is the string reverse. Reverse equal to, here I am just initializing. There is a noting point. It is a class variable, so it will not accepting the default values. When we are declaring like string view, it will giving the compile time error. Variable was not initialized. If we given string REV equal to null, it will printing the null as well with our execution. So we don't go through with the this way and this way. We need to string initialization should be reverse equal to without the double quotes. Without double quotes we need to initialize. Now let us see. Here I am approaching the for loop. So here I am approaching the for loop, and here I am approaching the two methods. So mainly we need to know when I am using s.length. When I am using s.length, internally JVM will check the this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, this is the 4. Now the length answer is 4. The length answer is 4. And coming to the indexes, it will start from the 0, 1, 2, 3. So length 1, 2, 3, 4, and index 0, 1, 2, 3. Now coming to here, first we need a last index number. What is the last index number means? Length minus 1. There is a formula. Last index number is length minus 1, length minus 1. Now here I am initializing one variable in I equal to s dot length minus 1, s dot length minus 1, and then s greater than or equal to 0 and sorry, I greater than or equal to 0 and then I minus minus. This is the decrement. This is the decrement. And here I am opening the loop. Here I am going through the reverse equal to reverse plus s dot char at I. Okay, here there is another assigning operator. When we have a plus equal to same variable in the LHS side, we need to use that. There is another way, reverse plus equal to s dot char at I. So ignore this one. We can use this type or this type. When we are using, this is coming under assigning operator. We already know there is operators topic. We are seeing that plus equal to. Okay. Now here I am closing the loop. Now I am going through the system dot out dot println. System dot out dot print. Finally, I am here printing the reverse. Finally, I am printing here reverse and method close and then class close. Now let us see. Here is class was opened here, class was closed here. Method was opened here, method was closed here. Loop was opened here, loop was closed here. Now let us see. When we are using this method, we can get in the answer as a AB AG. Okay, this is the program. But in interviews, we mainly it was not asking in the written exam. Mainly it was asking in the technical interview. So technical interview we can't some people are asking giving some paper and write the program and explain. Some people are asking directly explain the program. First we are telling this program, but we need to explain the logic. They need a logic. So how the logic will be going? Let us see here. Now here this is the before we need to know length minus 1. Okay, here I am keeping this type only. And now let us see. In loop number 1, what it will happen? S dot length. What is the length? 4. What is the length? 4. 4 minus 1 equal to 3. And then we are given that 3 is greater than or equal to 0. Condition was satisfied. So loop was continuing. Now let us see. Reverse equal to reverse. What is the reverse value? Reverse value is null. Null plus s dot char at. Here I already told that I was getting the index number. Now in char at method was working the using this index value, it was getting the characters. Now let us see. S dot char at I. What is that I value? I value is 3. Now let us see. What is the index value here? 3. In the 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. In the third place, it will getting the which character it is? A. Null plus A equal to A. Now reverse value equal to A. Again it will enter into the loop 2. In that loop 2, now what is the I value? Before length value is 3. Before I value is 3. 3. Now after we have a I minus means decrement. So 3 minus 1, we are getting a 2. Why we are getting 2 means here we are forgetting this one. I minus means nothing but a decrement, minus 1. So 3 minus 1. Here I value is 3. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Now let us see. 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Condition was satisfied. Now loop was opened. Reverse equal to. Reverse equal to. Already reverse got a value. Reverse value is A. A plus S dot char at S dot char at 2. What is the 2 value? In the 2 we are getting a V. We are getting a V. Okay, in the 2 we are getting a V. Before that we have a A plus V. Now reverse equal to AB. Reverse equal to AB. And again we have a decrement. I minus minus. Here I am erasing this thing. Now here loop number 3. Here loop number 3. So loop number 3. Again we have a I value is 2. And again we have a decrement. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. 1 greater than or equal to 0. Yes, condition was satisfied. And loop was open. Reverse equal to reverse plus char at I. What is that I value? I value is 1. Char at I 1 equal to, in that 1 place we have a index value is A. So reverse equal to, already reverse value is AB plus A. Now reverse value equal to ABA. Reverse value equal to ABA. Again we have a I minus minus. And after loop number 4. In loop number 4 we are getting 1 minus 1 because of decrement. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So 0 greater than or equal to 0. So 0 is not greater than to 0, but we are 0 is equal to 0. So condition was satisfied. Now loop was open. Again reverse equal to reverse place char at character at 0 position. Character means character at 0 position. Character at 0 position we are seeing a J. So reverse is A plus J. Now close the loop. Now reverse value equal to AJ. Now we are getting a AJ. And again we are seeing that loop number 5. It will be coming from the loop number 5. In that 5, 1 minus 1 because of I minus minus, 1 minus 1 equal to, because I value is 0. 0 minus 1 equal to minus 1. What is the value? Minus 1. But coming to the condition, minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Here condition is not satisfied. So here when the condition was going through, then loop will be executing. But here condition was not satisfied. So loop was stopped. After completion of successful loop, what we are getting here? Reverse value is, after completion the all loops, the final value of reverse is ABAJ. So we are reversing it as a ABAJ. If we need some more perfect execution, we need to go through that. Here also we need to write system.out.println before the reverse equal to yes. And after completion of this, here we need to give the in the system.out.println after the reverse of string plus reverse. So this is not a mandatory. This is the program. If we need any separate high-level purpose, we are go to the system.out.println before the reverse of string. And here we need to get after the reverse of string. So we are getting this is the answer. This is the program for reverse of string program right without using predefined method. When we can accept the when we can expect this type of question means in technical interview. When you are kept in your resume core Java with automation, then this is the must askable question. Why? Because this is a having logical, and before going to this program there is another way. In string buffer there is a direct method. The method name is reverse. When we are using this reverse method, we can get the execution. But here interview was thinking that they don't need reverse of string, they need this logic. How much of perfect in your logic you have? So we need to explain this program like this way. Okay, and this is the program for reverse of string without using predefined method. Okay, and again another question is there, that is nothing but a palindrome of string. Palindrome of string. We will see next week. Okay, thank you for.
Okay guys, here we are going to executing the reverse of string program. So for that, here I am creating the class. Okay, this is the class environment. Now I am initializing the string is equal to Java, and then string is sorry, string reverse equal to, just here I am initializing the string. Just here I am initializing the string. Now here I am going to the for loop for int I equal to s dot length. Here length is the method. Length is the method minus 1. Length is the method minus 1, and then I greater than or equal to 0, and then I plus plus. Now let us see reverse equal to reverse plus s dot char at I. Here index value will be changing frequently. We are getting the output. Now after completion of this loop, here I am using the Eclipse. Then there is a shortcut. When you are giving SYSO control space, it will be defaultly getting the system.out.println. Here I am going to printing the reverse. Printing the reverse. Now control S. Here I am saving the program, and when I am running this program, sorry, here we need to give a decrement. Sorry for that. Now we are got the AVAG. So okay, if you need a like a somewhat better thing, we can go through the system.out.println. Here I am giving the before the reverse space equal to space, then go through the plus yes. Okay, and after here after the reverse now, then let us see our execution should be very clear. Before the reverse is Java, after the reverse is AVAG. Okay, this is the program for reverse of string. Okay, yeah guys.